What is up, you guys? It's me, G. Welcome back to another video. Right now we're going to Sonic. We're going to meet up with Arthur real quick, but today we are actually going to go to a lemonade stand. A friend of ours' daughter said that she was going to have a lemonade stand so that she could save up for a drone, which I think is pretty cool. So I figured we were going to go over there, grab some lemonade, and also get the drone out so that she can see it, because I know she's probably going to be a little excited about it. What up, Arthur? Nice glasses, bro. But then after that, I think we're gonna like hit up a lot. I kind of feel like doing some stunting today, but I thought I would start the intro early because we got the day starting off pretty, I don't even know what I'm saying. I'm just excited to ride, guys, so I had to start the intro early. Well, we're gonna wait for Ethan, and then as soon as Ethan gets here, we will be out on the road, so let's do this. Alright guys, totally just kidding. Ethan is not gonna meet up with us right now, but he might meet up with us a little bit later. But for now, we're gonna go to this lemonade stand and enjoy the ride.
Can you believe I lost my key?
But at least you found it, right?
Yeah, I got it.
Cool.
It was in my car, of all places. It doesn't work like that.
You're trying to drive your bike, and that never works out.
Just jammed it straight up in the ignition. Should we get Lemõn and Casper some lemonade too?
We just like pour it in the tank.
Some lemonade.
Oh, I shouldn't have laughed at that one.
I
You didn't laugh at mine last video.
Watch out, Sheriff.
Oh, Sheriff.
Looks kind of stormy out.
Maybe lift up your visor. Won't be quite as dark.
Oh, still dark.
Motherfucker.
Tee him up. He must be a golfer.
Tee him up. Or he likes tea.
Well, and spelling things wrong.
Oh, dude, I so badly just want to go in the center lane and just pass all
just
of these
take
cars.
the sidewalk over here.
What are you doing, Arthur?
Ready for some off-road? Oh!
Wow.
Yeah, that's right.
Yo, Sheriff! Dude, look at how bald his tire is.
Whoa.
I'm gonna pop my tire actually. About to see the tire wires soon. You're probably like cringing at my vocab.
Tire wires. You also call me a tire mechanic. So, same ballpark.
Well, you are a tire mechanic.
I was.
You repair tires?
I'm now ex-tire mechanic.
Yeah, you're right.
Now I am a channel mechanic. I gotta hand it to Eli's daughter. She picked a good day for a lemonade stand. It is hot.
Yeah, it is hot as... Yeah.
As
Family friendly.
a heater.
Now I think I just got hit in the chest with a rock. Maybe that was a bug.
Get wrecked.
Maybe that was love at first sight.
Oh, I see it.
Is that Bronx?
Let's go. Hey guys. How's it going?
Hi guys. Can I get some lemonade? You guys have different flavors? I'll take some of that. That looks amazing. How much do I owe you? There you go. Alright guys, we're gonna hang out with him for a little bit, get the drone up in the air, and yeah, let's do it. Alright, bye guys. Thank you for the lemonade.
Good to see you, my man.
Good to see you, Eli. See you soon. Would you quit it?
Bye, Bronx.
Bye, Devin. Bye, Bronx. Look at him, man. He looks like a Ninja Turtle, bro.
They're the cutest. Oh my god.
Oh, dude, that was actually really nice.
Yeah, that was
really good lemonade.
I was gonna say that was a pretty good lemonade. First, they used real pink lemons in it. Good old West Oklahoma, baby.
West Home. Wait, West Oklahoma. What?
The videos?
Oh, that guy was mad. I know. That guy back there was mad.
See that little kid?
Yeah.
What is up with kids these days?
You're smoking a joint?
Nice.
Yeah, that's what your reaction would be? Nice? Come on, bro. Don't do drugs, kids.
I am Keith G. Come on.
Where's Arthur, dude? Oh, he's right behind you. Dang. He lined up exactly with you, dude.
Sure he did.
Fuck you,
Sure.
bro. Okay, is the whole party coming in this neighborhood? What's going on?
I think they're heading to grab some lemonade.
What's up, bro? Get a Grom.
Give me a high five. Give me a high five. Yeah. He was so confused. He was like, what is going on?
Oh, that's too good.
It's okay. You can't win them all, right? It is nuts how many people have bought Groms.
Bro, it is
started watching the channel. I still see comments like almost every day in Snapchats telling me that they're getting a Grom like this week or something like that. That's so cool.
And they should. They're gonna fucking love it.
Yeah, for real.
Look at these guys. Just dads in daddy dad world.
Rocking the short shorts. I feel you, man. It's freaking hot outside.
They're both like in sync, dude. See how high she get it?
Oh, the kid's face. That kid turned and he goes like this.
Did he know us, maybe?
There's no way he didn't, dude.
I always hate when I miss him. Why is this light still red? This is supposed to be freaky fast delivery. What's going on here?
Yeah, he should be driving through the grass. What are you doing, man? There's a sidewalk on both sides of the street.
Hey, I see you. I see you. Arthur too. Okay. Well, you can't leave me out, right? There we go.
It's just too fun not to. Just stretching out the old glutes.
Imagine there was ice cream in that.
Whoa. Now, this is way scarier riding next to you than I thought.
I know, right? We could probably fit 10 Groms in between this car and the other one. There you go, Grandma. Whoa. Be quiet, I'm trying to vlog here, bro.
Say, can you be any louder? He's like, what was that? Hey, look, the squad.
Yeah, nobody's here.
Oh no.
Alright, wheelie time. Is that a new sign? What does it say?
No parking either side.
Oh, we Gucci.
There's that police helicopter over there. Just an FYI, though.
Bro, you can't scare me like that.
No, I'm serious. It's up there.
He said, except there's a police. I'm like, oh shit.
Almost ran into the curb.
Yo, not a bad wheelie sesh. So I think right now we're gonna go to another car meet for a little bit. Nice, Tyler. And And then after that, we're gonna head up to the emergency room. Actually, Keith's dad happened to be there. Hopefully he's okay. I think he just had some abdominal pain, but we're gonna go and check on him anyway. But first, we're gonna stop at this car meet and say hello to everyone, and then we'll head up that way. Bro, Casper's riding a little weird. I just can't quite figure out what it is.
Looks good to me.
Also, Keith, you're looking extra good today. Can't quite tell what it is.
Growing out the beard a little bit. Haven't shaved in a few days.
That must be it. That must be it. Can I wheelie Lemõn?
Yeah.
Oh, that is just so weird, bro. Dude, Lemõn's kind of nice.
Yeah, man. He's in tip-top shape.
Makes me feel like I had a new Grom again.
Well, you don't. It's mine.
Wow.
Get wrecked.
Dang, bro, you have 4,000 miles? Were you just at 2,000?
Yeah, but then I took it out the other night.
Imagine.
Just craving an In-N-Out burger, so I rode to Cali. No, I'm kidding. I don't eat that shit. Just craving some organic celery from an alpaca field. So, this is one nice car meet. Hey, look, a car.
Yeah, we probably did go to the wrong place. You'll be fine. Is that a Grom over here? Dude, it totally is a Grom.
What up, man? How's it going? Gromie. Nice to meet you, man.
You motherfucker, dude.
Yeah, they're a lot of fun.
What's up, bro?
What's up, man?
I'm Keith Chief. Nice to meet you.
Chief?
Yeah.
That's what's up, man. What's your name? That's good. Mind if I join you guys?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, that's cool. Welcome to the squad.
Welcome, my dude. This poor guy's gonna have no idea what my name is. Yo, my name was Will, by the way.
Will? Oh, nice.
Yeah, I was just messing with you.
So I feel, hey, my friends call me Pino, but this is a long story.
Pino.
Pino, yeah. Pino.
Okay, that's unique.
That usually sticks a little bit more than Nick.
Yeah, I bet. All right, let's go, dude. Oh my God, bro. Do you see how low that thing is? What the fuck?
What is going on, man?
What the hell?
That was super creepy. I totally saw a U.S. Air Force plane earlier, too.
I thought the drone was coming after me, bro. Wow, you two are twins.
Twinning.
Hey, Keith Chief. I like your Grom.
I know you're not talking to me. I'm talking to that imposter. That's like me going like this. What up, Gromie Bear?
My kid doesn't even know what to do.
Uh-oh, I saw more lightning.
That is not good, bro.
Bro, let's not get rained on the way home.
Yeah, not trying to do that again.
Would be kind of refreshing, though.
No, Alright, well guys, we showed up to the car meet, realized we were at the wrong place, and I'm pretty sure Tyler and Arthur went to go to the meet while Keith and I are going to go home because we're going to go make sure that Keith's dad's okay. But hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, make sure you guys hit that like button. If you guys want to see more, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to ding that notification bell as well. Join the Most Lit Squad on YouTube, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace!
Look at that dog. Looks like a king